Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting straight into build mode so you can place wallpaper immediately. Open your C.A.M.P. workshop and make sure you own the plot and have the wallpaper item ready. Once in build mode, move close to the wall you want and use snap or free placement to preview. This shows coverage and alignment. Make sure to check available adhesive or crafting material counts since some wallpapers require resources when placed. Once ready, select the wallpaper and position it where you want the edge to sit. Now you focus on how to fit and hide seams for a seamless look. Start by aligning one panel so its edge sits flush with a corner or trim. This gives a reference line. Once done, add adjacent panels, overlapping slightly or using tiny rotation adjustments so the pattern matches. Make sure to toggle snap off for micro adjustments if patterns misalign. If walls are tall, place scaffolding or stairs first, then stand on them to place high panels and reduce placement errors. Finish by tightening alignment and checking from multiple angles so the wallpaper reads correctly in-game. Walk around in normal view after you save to spot visible seams, and rotate or slightly nudge problem panels in build mode until the pattern flows. If a piece refuses to align or visuals glitch, scrap it and place a fresh panel slightly offset. Sometimes relogging or exiting and re-entering the build menu clears placement bugs. Make sure to test at different times of day for lighting differences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.